Alright, hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia. On this channel we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, all the vibes. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe.
She like it on me. I like the way she take it. They like my picture. That make her jealous, she won't say it.
So, you guys, today's video is going to be a helpful video. I'm all about the tips videos. I'm all about the putting you guys on to things videos. It's my favorite type of thing. So today's video is going to be another one of those videos. I'm just going to put you guys on to some YouTube video ideas for 2022. I made a list of things that I think are going to do well, or if you're like a smaller channel or if you don't have any ideas, like these will help you out for sure. So I'm just going to get right into it. So my first one would be any type of like skincare routine. Everybody is always looking for a new skincare routine, things that help your acne, whatever. So if you have a really dewy, glowy, nice skincare routine, maybe it's an affordable skincare routine, maybe you're going to do a high-end bougie skincare routine, just something like that. We all love to watch routines. It's just like, you know, I love to watch a good routine. I like to know what other people are doing. Like, I'm obsessed with just being in other people's business. So okay, so the second one is a shop with me. Any type of shop with me. Shop with me for groceries. Shop with me for hygiene products. Shop with me at the mall. Like, you know what I mean? Target, anything. Just shop with me because, again, I'm nosy. And I like to, like, know what people are buying. And I like the feeling of, like, going with you to get stuff. You know what I mean? Okay, so a hygiene haul. Girls are super into a hygiene haul. Like, I love a hygiene haul. So if you're like a girls channel, like, you know, you're just a girls girl, I don't know why I'm doing all of that, but if you're just a girls girl, like, do a hygiene haul. Like, whatever products you use, or like a hygiene routine, hygiene haul. This is like a 2-in-1. A hygiene haul, products that you're buying that are new for your routine or that you maybe want to try out or that you've seen or whatever, or your holy grails. And then also, you can also do, for a second video idea, your hygiene routine and kind of walk people through what you do and what is specific to your hygiene routine and help put people on. If you have any tips or tricks of things that like you do for you to smell good all the time and like just be a smooth, moisturized queen, then like let people know and make a little hygiene video because they're so, people just love to know. Like, again, people are nosy just like I am. Like, we are nosy. We like to know what people do. We like to see if we can steal things from other people. We just like to do that stuff. So try to do a hygiene haul. Okay, so next is a hair routine. This can go for anybody, whether you have curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, whatever. You could do a curly hair routine or curly hair routine for short hair, curly hair routine for long hair, wavy hair routine, like all different types of things, because again, people are constantly wanting to look up things like that and see what people are doing with their hair, and like maybe if they like the way yours look, they're like, oh, I should add that into my routine. So try those videos. They're like helpful videos, routine type videos, any type of routine really, you know, just quick stuff, like just good stuff like that that is informative, and people are never gonna stop looking for hair care routines. Like, they're never gonna stop. Okay, next is a how-to video. So any type of how-to video, how to gain Instagram followers, how to do this hairstyle, how to get rid of acne, how to, any of those, like anything like that that is an informative video where it's getting people, like something that people would search. So if you really want to blow up your channel in 2022, try to do searchable content. I kind of talked about this in my how to grow your YouTube channel video, but it's basically like try to find videos that are very searchable, like how to get rid of acne. People are for sure searching that up. So if you make a how to get rid of acne video in 2022, like updated routine or whatever, or how to lighten your underarms, how to do a slick back bun, how to, like things like that, like any type of how-to informative video. If you have something that you feel like you got it down, let people know what it is, because chances are there's somebody, not even just somebody, a lot of people looking for exactly what you are talking about. Even sometimes if it seems a little bit stupid, still put it up if it's a how-to video, because I know to you might be like, okay, everyone knows how to do this, but I promise a lot of people don't know how to do it. So try to do how-to informative videos. So next we have fashion haul, Zara fashion haul, Misguided fashion haul, Boohoo fashion haul, Pretty Little Thing fashion haul, Fashion Nova fashion haul. Like any haul that you can do it, because people love hauls. Like people love a try on haul. They love a try on haul. So especially if you're like a lifestyle, fashion, beauty type of channel, definitely try to do try on hauls. I know sometimes it's not always the most like reasonable thing to do because you do have to spend quite a bit of money to make those hauls, but if you happen to go shopping or you happen to want to be ordering things online anyway, try to make sure to do a haul on it, because even if it's just a couple things, people love to watch hauls. And you can kind of make them like seasonal. This is like a 2-in-1. Like you kind of want to make those hauls seasonal, so like winter Fashion Nova haul, winter Pretty Little Thing haul, spring Fashion Nova haul. You know what I mean? Like you want to make them seasonal because they change out their clothes every season. Yeah, they have their basics, but they also change out clothes every season. So you kind of want to like do updated, because people are going to be searching for fall clothes, spring clothes. You know what I mean? Next, any type of tip video. This again was a how, kind of goes into the how-to videos, but any type of tip video, anything that you feel like changed your life or is good for you. Maybe it's organization tips, maybe it's makeup tips, maybe it's fashion tips, maybe it's hair tips, maybe it's whatever. Like if you have, maybe it's planning tips, budgeting tips, like anything like that where you feel like you have some really good like hard hitters of advice that you can give people, try to make a video on that, because especially because it's a new year, people are like wanting to get new information from new people and try to like figure out how to just like level up their lives. So try to do tip videos. Budget tips would be good for the new year, organization tips would be good for the new year. Any type of tip video is gorgeous. Next is makeover videos. So I really want to do this video and I will probably do it soon, but it's like transforming my best friend into me, or transforming my mom into me, or doing my mom's makeup, doing my grandma's makeup, doing, you know what I mean, doing my brother's makeup if he'll let you. Things like that. Like, but I really want to do the transforming my best friend into me. You could transform your sister into you, you could do stuff like that, but I really want to do that video because I feel like not only is it you getting to like do your video, but it's also a really fun video to watch because it's you and your best friend, or you and your mom, or you and whatever, just bantering, going back and forth, and then there's a reveal at the end of like what they look like and you guys looking the same. You know, it's just kind of a cute, really fun, entertaining video. It's not really too helpful, but it's one of those more entertaining videos, and that type of video will probably get your watch time up. If you do a more like entertaining video like that, probably get your watch time up pretty good. So try to do a video that is like that. Next one is kind of like, I don't know if people do this anymore, but I love clean with me videos, and once I move I will be doing a lot of clean with me videos because I find it like so relaxing, and just looking at the it's the same thing as like doing your makeup, right? Like I want to know what products people are using for their house, like to clean their house. I want to know how they clean their house because maybe it'll change my routine on how I clean my house, or laundry, like, you know what I mean? Just like a clean with me. It's kind of like a chill, like vloggy style video. Or if you have like something really dirty too, people are so nasty, people are so into this. If you have something that's like really dirty and like you haven't cleaned it in a long time, do a clean with me and like make the thumbnail all like the first thing's really dirty, the second thing's really clean, because it's super satisfying for people to watch you like transform something from gross to like sparkly, clean, and organized. So if you can do a clean with me video, or like cleaning out my car video if your car is not looking too clean, you know, stuff like that. What's next? Workout with me. People love to see workout with me videos or like workout routines, again because of the nosiness. You like to just either have entertainment, or maybe you're working out but you like to watch other people work out, or you want people to work out with you, like that type of situation. It's always fun to do a workout routine. And also if you pride yourself on your workout routine and like going to the gym and you're that type of person, then doing the workout routine is really good because if people like the way that you look and you're like, this is what I do to achieve this physique, then it's really nice because then people can just reference it. Okay, so next tip is actually challenges. So any type of challenge, 24-hour challenge, eating vegan for 24-hour challenge, jump rope challenge, like any type of challenge video, workout routine challenge, Daisy Daisy Keech's workout routine or Chloe Ting workout routine, like any of that type of challenge, drinking water for 24 hours or like drinking a gallon of water for a week, drinking, you know, challenges like that, soup fast, just things like that. Trying different hairstyles for a week. So for me, I want to do trying different hairstyles for post big chop hair because my hair is not like super long, so I want to try the typical kind of like hairstyles that they put out there on Pinterest. So just like do Pinterest searching and find some hairstyles that are similar to your hair, like medium length hairstyle, medium length wavy hairstyles, and try different hairstyles out every day of the week. You can do this if you have long hair, if you have curly hair, if you have straight hair, if you have a mohawk, like I don't know, you could do this with any hairstyle. Just pick the ones that work for you and try them out. The next one is different hairstyles for curly hair, different hairstyles for straight hair, or like my go-to hairstyles for straight hair, and like add like multiple. Like I know you've seen those videos where there's like 5 or 10 pictures in the thumbnail and it's all different hairstyles. Try to do that because sometimes you get in the rut. I know I do. I do the same hairstyle every single day. You get in the rut of like doing the same thing in your hair, and you want a video to like just show you all the different possibilities for your hair. Maybe you can find 2 or 3 out of like the 20 that they show that you are obsessed with, and you'll just rotate, and it'll be new for you, kind of fun. So I think those videos are super helpful to watch. I know I have watched so many about post big chop hairstyles, and none of them are for me. I will say none of them are for me, but I've watched like 20 of those videos, and I've watched some people's videos over and over again. So I know that those for me, I love. So I know that somebody else will love those too. So yeah, you guys, that's actually it. That is all the videos that I have for today, because I kind of like, I don't know, I come up with so many different ideas, and I don't want this video to be super long. If you want a part 2, please let me know, because I just come up with ideas all the time. But that is the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you got some video ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!